Hey guys, it's Charlie. Today I'm gonna be taste testing some drinks. These are Vietnamese drinks that you guys wanted me to try out. So I thought today is a great day to try them out. So I did a convenience store tour here in Vietnam, and if you'd like to see that video, you can click here or in the link in the description box to see the Vietnamese convenience store tour. And I found these weird named drinks and I was like, do you guys want me to try? And you guys said yes. So today I'm gonna be trying this white fungus drink. I have no idea. And the second one that I'm going to be trying today is called Genuine Bird's Nest. They're both bird's nest, but this one includes white fungus. I really like the color of the packaging. It looks really cool, especially like the Vietnamese side. There's a Vietnamese side and then there's an English side, and it's the same with the other one. The biggest ingredient is water, sugar, and white fungus. And the last ingredient is bird's nest, bird's saliva, aka bird's spit. So let's read a little bit about this. Edible bird's nests are bird's nests created by swiftlets, which are a type of bird, using solidified saliva, which are harvested for human consumption. They are particularly prized in Chinese culture due to their rarity and supposedly high nutritional value and exquisite flavor. Okay, so let's try it. First I'm gonna try it in the can, and then I have a glass so we can kind of see what color it is. It looks like there's some kind of like pulp in the inside, so cheers. Oh, tastes a little bit syrupy. It's sugary for sure. It has a familiar sugary sweet taste. It's actually really good. I would definitely recommend trying this one. Cheers again. I like it. Oh, it's clear. It definitely has some kind of like pulpiness to it. This is one of those drinks where if it was just sitting, I would think there was like stuff that collected in the glass, but it's not like a lot of pulp. I like this one. I'm really bad at explaining flavors, but maybe after some experience I'll get used to this. This definitely has a sweet flavor to it. This actually tastes like A&W root beer taste, definitely. And scent. It's not nasty at all. When I read white fungus drink, I thought it was gonna be very bitter, but it's actually very sweet. Obviously it has sugar as the first few ingredients, and it's good. I like it. I would give this a 3 out of 5 though. It doesn't like win me over completely, but it's definitely a drink to try. Definitely has a sweet syrupy taste. Let's move on to the next one. This one is Genuine Bird's Nest. The outside packaging says enhancing health, good for skin, and good taste. I hope that's true. Water, bird's nest, sugar, fructose, potassium sorbate, natural bird's nest flavor. Let's see how this is. Cheers. Oh. Woo, that one's a lot stronger than the other one. It has a smell to it for sure, and some pulpiness in here. I can't pinpoint. It has like it's not bitter, but it has like a ting to it. Okay. This one is also clear and has some pulpiness to it. Let's compare the two. This one is the white fungus drink and this one is the bird's nest. Definitely like the white fungus drink a lot better. It's sweeter. It has a better, like, smoother taste. This one is a bit I definitely like the white fungus drink a lot better. It's a lot smoother, sweeter. Neither are bad. They're not disgusting. Definitely, you should definitely try it. Definitely tastes like a bird nest. Whatever a bird's nest tastes like, it does taste like a bird's nest. It gives that bird nesty feel. This drink is actually from a bird's nest. Between these two, this one has more of a medicine-y scent. Smells a little bit more like medicine, and this one smells more like vanilla. They usually drink this or eat this for medicinal purposes. Some of those medicinal purposes are moisturizing the skin, limbering the mind, enhancing libido, and recovering the female form after childbirth. Bird's nest is very expensive, but obviously these are not expensive because they don't have that much bird's nest in it, and most of it is all artificial. Edible bird's nests are among the most expensive animal products consumed by humans, with an average nest retailing for about US $2,500 per kilogram in Asia. Obviously this is super cheap because I don't think there's very much bird's nest in here. It's like mostly other things. So there you have it. Here is my little taste test of these two bird nest drinks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Whoop, that was my first time eating bird spit. This is like a roll of seaweed.